backside we check all the forest. We put some signs on it. Yeah, our little driver here. Timothy and my sister is in here. Oh, alright. So, no hunting for now. We just put the signs on it. No, they're hunting in the private property. Alright, let's go! Have fun to the backside! Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, it's still different to the other side. To the other, you know, the other ATV. Yeah. Yeah, just have fun to ride! Yeah, it's here. We're just have fun driving, going to the backside. Just to put some signs on it that nobody can hunt in this area. Love it! I love it! Especially if you ride fast! Vroom, vroom. He's here to swim. Yeah. This is the main water here, right? Yes. Ah, they have a lot of dogs in there. They have a dog farm. We need to stop in here. Yeah, I don't know where the past honey if we can do like hunting. Yeah, we're here now. Okay, let me get down. Yeah. Here we're riding that ATV going around. And we put some signs on the fence that nobody can get in here. So here we go. Yeah, we just put the signs, no hunting or trespassing under the penalty of the law. Yeah, because I think last other week ago, somebody hunting here, like deer hunt, you know, because we have a lot of deers here, but this is a private property, so nobody can get in here. Yeah, the owners are there. Look, my husband. Yeah, here this is the main water where the city can get here. Water, the main pipe is in here on this side. So if they can come up in here and check on the water, they can ask permission first to the community before they can get in here because we have a fence all around there. Trespassing because the guy passed on the side coming on his way to hunting, which is not allowed, so we need to put some signs on everywhere all here on this forest. Yeah, I'm waiting here. Come on! Woo! Let's have fun! You want me to drive? Let's have fun. I'm good. I'm good to drive. Just have fun riding around. Woo! Oh! Still have space at the back, right? Yeah. Sit down. Yeah. 6 people can ride here, right? Oh, that's true. 60 degrees. tractor is passing. Yeah. Here we go again. Just have fun. Woo. Nice. I think we can put on that side too. Here? Okay. Here. Let's go. Enjoy. Have fun to ride with the Atv ride. Yeah. Woo! Come into the bus.
Not as bumpy.
Yeah, it's bumpy, but I have it's enjoy, you know. Enjoy the ride around. Especially across the streets, you can go there too. I think it's muddy right now. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. We need to put some more signs in here. Yeah. Oh, there's the street. Oh no. Ooh, boom boom. Beep beep. I think on that side. Yeah, that side. You can put some signs up. Right up fun. My God, we just come up in here on this side where the fence is soon around. I think you can put it there. Yeah, you can put it there too. Oh my God, there's no way here to go.
Where's that nearby? I need to put one on.
Yeah, we need to.
Where is it? Just move further back.
Nandito kami ngayon sa kagubatan ng Ikot-Ikot at checking on the deer. If the deer.
Winter time is probably the best time.
Ayan, let's go another way. Go, go, go. Let's go. Oh! We have enjoyed, have fun to ride here. Oh, careful, careful. There's a cedar trees in here, honey. Oh. Yeah, we can pass it here on this side. Yeah, I've seen that. There's a lot of cows on that side too. The Angus, black Angus, the orange one. Did you see? Our neighbors. Here, you cannot pass in this place. It's blocked off in here. Oh, where you can go? This is the different side. All right. Just have fun here. Riding around, round and round. Yeah, here on the side. That's our neighbors on that side.
It gets worse.
Okay. There's a big tree there too. I think it's the oak tree, right?
Probably. So the street.
Oh, yeah, look at the tree. It's pretty though. It's lovely with us today. Sunday. It's not really cold. Warm. It's 60 degrees right now, right? Look at the trees today. I like this tree. I know you are, because you raced one time, but it's not good. If you run fast, it's so bumpy on there. What? I know. Oh, stop it! Yeah. Across the streets and we got stuck. Oh no. Here we are, we towed back because we ran fast and now it happens, you know. Yeah, just have fun.
it wouldn't start. We were too crazy.
Yeah, it wouldn't start. So now we just go back again. Just have fun to ride around, round, round, round.
Didn't start over.
Woo!
I didn't get to think of it.
Yeah, we didn't fit the cat fish though. So we're close at home. Bye! Alright, back. So we're now back at home. Done for the fun ride. From the fun ride.
Now we gotta
Alright. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.